So again, the first thing you're looking for in all these problems is look at that third term, c. Okay, again, it's x squared plus bx plus c. If we're talking, this is referred to as b, this is referred to as c, or constant. So we're looking for factors of 48 that have a sum of 16. When this is positive, okay, factors are going to be the same sign, so factors of 48, sum of 16. In both cases, we're looking for two factors that add up to 16. So of course you got 1 times 48, you have 2 times 24, 3 times 16, 4 times 12, and 6 times 8. So only one set of factors here is going to add up to 16, and that's 4 and 12. With this being x squared plus 16 plus 48, we're going to factor this into x plus 4 and x plus 12. Okay, and that's all I need. All right. So again, that's your final answer for there. If you multiply it all out, you get x squared plus 12x plus 4x plus 48. Right there's your 16x when you add those up. Over here, since this is a negative 16, we're going to make this x minus 4 and x minus 12. Because again, when you multiply it out, you get x squared minus 12x minus 4x plus 48. Right there's your negative 16x right in the middle there. Okay. So again, when this is positive, when c is positive, you're always looking to add up the factors. So same thing down here. We're looking for factors of 100, and we need a sum of 29. So your factors of 100, 1 times 100, 2 times 50, 4 times 25, 5 times 20. So your 4 times 25, that'll add up to 29. So again, over here, x plus 4 times x plus 25. That's your answer. You could have x plus 25 times x plus 4. That's fine as well. If you multiply it all out, you get x squared plus 25x plus 4x plus 100. Right there's your 29x. Over here, just change it to x minus 4 and x minus 25. Whoops, minus 25x to get your negative 29x. All right, so all these 4 problems that we did on the front here, positive 48 at the end, positive 100, again, my binomials are always the same sign, okay? That's a big thing to take away, and we're adding the factors to get that middle term. Okay, so we move on to this next group. It's a negative 10. Negative 64. So my factors have to be the opposite signs, okay? So factors of negative 10, and you're looking for a difference, so we're going to subtract the factors, difference of 3. So you have 1 times 10 or 2 times 5, so hopefully I'll realize you need to use 2 and 5. So we're trying to get a positive 3 in the middle, so we're going to go plus 5, negative 2. So that when we multiply this out, you get a plus 3x in the middle. Over here, though, we're going to switch it up and go x plus 2 and x minus 5 for our final answer. And we'll get x squared minus 5x plus 2x minus 10. Right there's your negative 3x. All right, so notice the difference here. If we're trying to get a negative term in the middle, we got to make our bigger number negative. If we're trying to get a positive term in the middle, we got to make the bigger factor positive. So again, same thing down here. Factors of negative 64. We need a difference of 12. So you have 1 times 64, 2 times 32, 4 times 16, and 8 times 8. So 4 times 16 is going to be our choice here with our factors. So we need a positive 12 here, so I'm going to make my smaller number negative, so go x minus 4. Larger number positive. Multiply it out, we get x squared plus 12x, or plus 16x, sorry, minus 4x minus 64. Again, negative times a positive gives me a negative on the end, and right there's my positive 12x. Over here, x minus 16 and x plus 4, so that we get that negative 12x in the middle, we get x squared plus 4x minus 16x minus 64 in the end, negative 12x in the middle there. So just to compare and contrast some of these, so you know like what to make positive, what to make negative, so that you get the correct term in the middle there. All right, have a good day. Bye.